Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're back with another video, and today we're filming a empty house tour that's basically full of our stuff. We was meant to film an empty house tour when we moved in, but it was like chaos, wasn't it? Because we was trying to empty the other house because we needed to give the keys back. So then I kind of forgot, and then I was like, flip, I forgot to film the empty house tour. So we wasn't going to film it, was we? And then we thought...
You should have just done it the day we got the key.
I was supposed to, that's what I was saying, but I completely forgot. Because we were so manic, because we was like having to...
To be fair, we literally...
Didn't stop.
We turned up for our appointment late as well here.
Yeah, because I got the timing wrong as well. I thought it was an hour after, so yeah. So everything was just a bit all over the place. But we're here now. We're going to film the empty house tour, bracket, bracket, not so empty. So I hope that's okay. The house is not... Oh, I thought... The house isn't like done how we want it to be. Some areas are like getting there. So we thought what we're going to do is we're going to show you the house tour. Hope you guys like it. We love it. We love our little house. And there's still so much we want to do to it, which we can talk while we're showing you. And yeah, we're just really excited to show you. So if you're interested to see what our new little house is like, then please keep watching. Right, so this is the door. So when you come through the door, you basically have this little walkway. Downstairs toilet, which is, we haven't even used it or cleaned it yet. It's literally just got my old mirror that I need to like clean and sort out, and then it's just like a bathroom, like the downstairs bathroom. That's basically it. So yeah, I need to clean in there, but I just wanted to show you guys. So that's the downstairs bathroom. Then when you turn around to the other side, ta-da! This is our kitchen and my boyfriend. So this is our kitchen, if you want to carry on.
When we first moved in, was full of stuff, and it was really stressful to be sort of...
Yeah.
We couldn't cook or anything, so we had to get a couple of takeaways.
Yeah, we did.
But the kitchen's quite nice, it's cute. It's very small compared to our old kitchen, as you can see. But it's fine for me though.
Yeah, literally. I was having a little bit of like a and ahhing about the backboard. It's not my favourite, if I'm honest.
I think it's very cool.
Ben kind of likes it. I kind of don't like it, but it's something that I can live with. As you guys know, if you don't know, I'll let you know now. I love wooden. Like, I love anything wooden. So when I saw these, I was...
The wood effect.
Yeah, the wood effect. It's not actually wood. I just loved these, so I was pretty happy with that. And then like this area here, I'll just show you. I've just started placing where I want everything to be. As you can see, I've got a huge wooden obsession. And then I've just popped these up here. Haven't put anything in that yet. I filled the cupboards, but I haven't organised them as such yet, but I'll show you them in the vlogs, so you guys will see that. Yeah, that's pretty organised. Most of them are all from IKEA, by the way. But I'll show you all the cupboards and everything and how I'm going to organise them when you'll see it in the vlogs. I'll show you my fridge because I'm really happy with my fridge. It's kind of getting empty now because obviously we've been using it. So this is our fridge. It's kind of like a small little fridge, but I love it.
We haven't done a proper shop yet.
No, we haven't done a proper shop yet. These are from IKEA, obsessed. These are from the range. That's where we need to top up. And then these are also from the range, which I love these as well. Yeah, as you can see, we kind of need to go shopping. We just kind of got a few bits for when we was moving in. And then this side is our little washing up area. It's cute, nothing crazy. And then this bin, and then our washing machine. So yeah, it's a lot smaller than our other one, but we're happy with it, aren't we? It does the job.
It's less maintenance.
Exactly, yeah. Okay, so this is our living room. I'll show you this area out first. This is probably like my favourite area of the living room. I just think it's so cute. Definitely the vibe that I wanted to go for. I absolutely love these baskets. They're from TK Maxx, so I have this one. Absolutely love these baskets. They're from TK Maxx, so I have that one, and then I also have this one. I've just got some throws in there, and then I have this little display going on. So this is actually from...
What's in that one?
What?
What's that one?
Oh, that's Ben's Xbox. This is actually from IKEA, if you're wondering. And
everyone knows that from IKEA.
Well, someone asked me where it was from, and they didn't know, so it's from IKEA. So I'm going to really quickly run through where everything's from, just in case you're curious. B&M, Primark, can't remember, an Angel PR box, B&M, Primark.
We've had them lanterns for a while, haven't we?
Yeah, I love them. Primark throws, these are off the market, and I've got a throw in there which is also from Primark, and this tree, well, fake plant, sorry, not tree, that's from B&M, and then the basket is from IKEA. You guys will see an updated and like keep up with the progress with me with how I do up the house, but this is it so far. So we have these curtains which I'm obsessed with. These curtains, I'm obsessed. I love these curtains so much. I think they're so nice. They're from Dunelm, and they're such a beautiful beigey oatmeal sort of shade that I'm just obsessed with. And then
they're like blackout curtains, aren't they?
Yeah, they're really good. We love them. And then I have this throw which is from the range. I used to have this on my bed, if some of you guys remember, so I'm obsessed with that. I just literally just threw it on over there, just...
She says she throws it on, but look how neat that is.
No.
She will not throw that on.
I just kind of, you know,
I threw
like...
it on neatly.
I threw it on neatly, yes. And then this this rug is from the range also. And then our sofa, which I do love, but I feel like we've had it for so long now, I'm kind of ready for a change. So we have actually ordered a new sofa, which is coming in November, and I can't wait. I'm counting down the days. You guys wait till you see it. It's so beautiful.
It's actually huge. We didn't, because I never actually saw the house when we moved it, when knew we were getting the house, because I let Zell go and view it. I trusted her sort of judgment.
Yeah. And
we just wanted something that was easy and like, you know, easily maintained and, you know, practical for just two of us. So but we didn't measure our new sofa, but we measured it.
It's huge, basically.
When we got the keys. When we got the keys the other day, it actually blocks off this door completely. It's massive. So you got to think this sofa finishes here, but I think it finishes about here, and the same this way as well.
Yeah. So we might have to rearrange when the sofas come, but we'll see.
I think whatever way it goes round, we're going to be blocking something.
We'll
it's
figure
fine.
it out.
It's
we'll
fine.
figure it out.
I was actually thinking with that sofa, we could actually move it slightly that way and have a gap down there.
Oh, that's a good idea. Maybe we could do that.
And then we could just do a walkway through.
You guys will see. When we get the sofa, we'll make sure we're vlogging that day. By the way, before I forget, you know we've been saying we were living at the other house for 3 years? It's actually 2 years, babe.
Yeah, I know.
I looked back on the videos and I was like, oh frick, we uploaded the empty house tour 2 years ago.
Yeah, I know, I realised as well.
So we messed up there, but still it was a long time.
Yeah, it's fine.
Sofa is actually from Groupon, if anyone's wondering. It did take a little bit of time to come, but that's
It said 1 to 2 weeks when we ordered it.
Yeah.
And it took about 10 weeks, I think.
Yeah. With
which
sofas,
is a bit annoying. I think there was a problem with the stock at the time.
Yeah. If you guys are interested, we're actually going to be selling this in November. So if you live in Norwich, let me know. These pillows, I really wanted the karate chop pillows. These are actually from Dunelm. You get them separately and then the inside separately, so you can just get whatever cases you want.
I don't really understand, why is that a thing?
So you can get whatever cases you want.
No, I mean like why do you want a karate chop them?
Because it looks cute. People will understand. They'll understand.
Every day I just see her, she's just karate chopping the pillows. I'm like, is she learning some sort of skill? Or?
They're also from Dunelm.
These are from Dunelm, yes. We need to get a few more. We didn't realise how many lampshades we had in the house, but they're pretty cool. This area here is actually a mess.
Yeah, so we haven't even started that area yet. Do you want to tell them the plans?
They're hopefully going to get like a dining room table. We need to, like I said a minute ago, our new sofa actually comes to about here.
Right.
So we're going to lose a bit of space, but hopefully we'll be able to get a small table and a couple of chairs just for me and Zell. It's a little cupboard. It's a bit awkward and annoying. I don't particularly think it needs to be here.
No, yeah, we were saying
I think it's just to cover up the stairs. But it takes up a lot of room. It's similar to our old house. This house is similar to our old house. And
this is basically going to be organised. This isn't organised at all.
Yeah.
It's going to have our shoes here, and it's also going to have like the Hoover and stuff, but it's literally going to be organised. You'll see it in a vlog coming up, but obviously we just wanted to show you.
I think it is a little bit of a waste of space personally. It would have been nicer to have the whole sort of living room.
Yeah, I agree.
We could have done without that cupboard.
Yeah, I agree.
But it is what it is. It is what it is. Right, so we're going to go upstairs now. Okay, so this is our bedroom. Ignore the fact that my clothes are on the floor in kind of
some of his clothes.
Some of my clothes. And ignore the bed hasn't got a sheet on it yet. Basically, we're getting a new bed, which is coming
We come in on the 23rd of August.
Because we got it ordered. It's a new bed that will be coming.
As we literally just moved in 2 days ago, so that's why literally nothing's done. So yeah, so this is the bed. Obviously we haven't even put our sheet on yet because we just moved in 2 days ago, so just bear with us with that. Yeah, do you want to talk them through it?
We actually have a king size duvet because we ordered a king size bed.
Yeah.
And a king size mattress. The mattress turned up, but we've returned it now. But we had to change our bed because we didn't realise it was going to be so small. It's not the fact that it's so small. It's more the fact that we couldn't fit in 2 bedside tables because we really wanted to have 2 bedside tables.
Yeah.
Because we've never really done that sort of thing before.
Yeah.
These rooms aren't massive, but it has got built-in wardrobes here. We're going to be changing the handles. And maybe the doors.
Oh no, I don't mind the doors. I just
think they look a bit off.
Oh, I don't mind them.
But they're pretty standard.
There's so much room in them.
Oh, and by the way, I don't know if I've showed you this, but do you remember? I don't know if we told them about that sock that we had on our rail in the old house.
Yeah.
We had a sock on the rail.
Where have you put it?
Up here.
Oh, for God's sake, babe.
It's got to stay.
So weird. Oh my Jesus Christ.
That to close slow.
So this is where Ben's clothes are going to go. They're going to go in there, and then I want to change the handles on there.
We'll get some like nice handles. I don't know if the person that was living here before, or put the handles on, was quite short.
Yeah, they're quite low.
I expect my handle to be about.
Yeah, I was thinking that. Do you reckon we could change that or not?
What we could do is we could get the handles where you like a cupboard handle, and we could screw it in the bottom and then lift it up this way.
Yeah.
And have a hole in here, so it'd be slightly higher.
Yeah. So we're thinking about doing 2 we're thinking about doing 2 side tables either side, very neutral bed, throws, make it look really pretty, nice little pampas thing just here on top of one of them. That's the vibes, but you guys will see that when we start decorating our bedroom.
Bill has like sort of persuaded me, like massively steered me away from like having like a proper boys' bedroom. Like you saw the living room and I've all like the cosy carpets and the cosy throws and stuff. Actually, I really like that stuff.
Ah, well that's good. I'm glad you like it.
And then little weird flowers that you get that look like you just nicked them from a field.
Yeah, the pampas things. Yeah, and wooden.
They look cool. And
the wooden baskets.
Wood effect, yeah.
He never used to like it.
This is our duvet set.
Oh yeah, this is our duvet set that we went for, which is from the range. So we have this set up here, which
we're going to be changing. We just want to watch TV.
That's literally like going to change completely. Probably keep that, but as you can see, haven't even started decorating that. Obviously, my underarm deodorant is not going to be there.
Why?
Well, easy access. But yeah, so we need to sort all that out, but I just wanted to show you. So that's all Ben's clothes that needs to go in there, but he's also got some stuff in the other bit as well. Okay, so moving on, next to the bedroom, we have our bathroom. So this is our bathroom. Please just bear in mind, we moved in 2 days ago.
Well, they know.
I know, but still.
This is technically going to be an empty house tour. We're in the middle of an empty house tour.
It needs it clean, so I've just shoved everything in here. So this is our bathroom. Very cute. I love it. I think it's super pretty. So this is the bathroom. So as you can see, I'm going for the wood effect again. So I picked up this. I've also got one of these bath things, as you can see. And then so this is from B&M. This was from B&M. This was from the range.
We love B&M and the range.
Yeah, we bloody do. And then yeah, this all needs a whole vamp. So this is the bathroom, just easy and practical, and I love the colours of the bathroom as well. I feel like it goes so well with the wooden theme that I'm going for. Basically, all around the house is going to be very neutral tones, the hint of black every just in certain areas, and then wooden. That's kind of the vibes I'm going for. So yeah, this is the bathroom. So moving on to the next room. Okay, so this is the last room, and this room will be my dressing room where all my clothes are, makeup, everything, etc. Guys, it's a tip.
It's the room of doom.
It's a room of doom. You should have seen it yesterday. It was worse. We've kind of like just sections where Ben kind of helped me with where I should put my drawers and that. So we kind of just worked on that at the moment. Haven't put anything away. I'm going to do a video on it so you guys can see how I'm going to organise all my clothes, makeup, hair care, blah blah blah, etc. So
we're going to be painting walls in the house, by the way. So if there's a slight yellow tone to the walls, it's not for us. We knew it was like that when we
and the lights are yellow tones.
Lampshades, yeah,
they're all changing as well.
All changing.
Obviously we only started downstairs, but the lampshades are changing, and the light bulbs, because we don't like yellow tones.
We should have probably painted before we put everything in there.
I did say that.
Yeah, I know, but I've had work and stuff. I haven't been able to do anything.
He has been working, but I did say that, so I don't know how we're going to do it. We'll probably just have to push everything to the middle.
Well, we could just do like one side at a time, so pull everything this way and do this wall and push it back, sort of thing.
Yeah.
Might take a bit of time.
It's fine.
We'll just get a man in.
I'll do it.
Alright.
I don't mind doing it. So this is the dressing room. So what I've done is I've put 2 of my mum drawers here. And then, so yeah, there's 2 of my mum drawers here. And then I've also done 2 of my mum drawers here. Ignore these.
Where? Where are the mum drawers?
There.
Oh.
Ignore these because I'm not sure what I'm doing with them yet. We'll just leave it for now because I have no idea. It's just literally how I've done it for the moment. Then I've just popped my mirror. I'm so sorry if I look oily. It's literally halfway through the day. I've just got my mirror here. It needs to clean.
The camera makes this room look a lot smaller than it is, and all the drawers and stuff, they actually fit in here really well, to be fair.
I think because there's so much stuff in here, it makes it look like it's cramped and there's too much.
And all these drawers are actually empty at the moment, so Zelle's got to put all of her clothes away.
Which is going to be a task in hand, and I need a full probably day to even sort all that out.
You've got my pants in one of the drawers, actually.
Yeah, I know, there is, because the drawers used to be Ben's, but as I said, he's going to be having that room in there, the wardrobe, so yeah. And then we also do have 2 drawers over there as well. But yeah, so everything is just super all over the place. I do have a cupboard behind the door, by the way, as well, which is very handy for me, so I can just hide some things away that I do not want on show, because I just have so much that sometimes I just run out of space.
This was the least empty house tour ever.
I know, literally.
We've just been too busy, and obviously I've been struggling with my rib and stuff as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the house tour.
Yeah, we really like the house and we're really happy to make it our own, add our touches, which we've already started to do, and yeah, we're just really excited. So that is literally the end of our house tour. We really hope you guys enjoyed the video and also the house. Let us know down below your thoughts, and if you've got any ideas of what you guys think that we should do to the house. If you enjoyed the video, then please give it a thumbs up and leave any comments down below, and we'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. Cuddles on the rug.
Bye.